కోవిడ్ సంక్షోభంలోనూ ఏపీ ప్రభుత్వం ప్రజా సంక్షేమ పథకాలను విస్మరించాలని గవర్నర్ బిశ్వభూషణ్ హరిచందన్ అన్నారు. ఏపీ అసెంబ్లీ బడ్జెట్ సమావేశాలు ప్రారంభమయ్యే ఉభయ సభలను ఉద్దేశించి గవర్నర్ బిశ్వభూషణ్ వర్చువల్ విధానంలో ప్రసంగించారు. కోవిడ్ కట్టడి చర్యలో ఏపీ దేశానికి ఆదర్శంగా నిలిచిందన్న గవర్నర్ ఇప్పటివరకు ఏపీ వ్యాప్తంగా 1,80,00,000 కోవిడ్ టెస్టులు నిర్వహించామని తెలిపారు. ప్రతి ప్రైవేటు ఆసుపత్రిలోనూ కోవిడ్ చికిత్సను ఆరోగ్యశ్రీలో చేర్చామని తెలిపారు. ఆసుపత్రిలో ఆక్సిజన్ కొరత లేకుండా చూశామన్న గవర్నర్ విదేశాల నుంచి సైతం క్రయోజెనిక్ ఆక్సిజన్ తెప్పించామని గవర్నర్ బిశ్వభూషణ్ అన్నారు.
The top priority of my government under Pedala Ndariki Ilu 28.81 lakh houses site pattas distributed to all the eligible beneficiaries in the name of women so far, and to construct 30.9 lakh individual houses in 2 phases. 15.60 lakh houses are being taken up under phase 1 with a project cost of rupees 28,084.9 crores at a unit cost of rupees 1.80 lakh and are named as YSR Jagananna colonies. For the first time in the country, all types of pensions worth rupees 1,487 crores are being delivered to about 61.73 lakh persons on the first day of every month at the doorsteps of the beneficiaries under YSR Pension Kanuka without any discrimination of caste, creed and political affiliation. So far, an amount of rupees 32,469 crores is spent for this scheme. My government is implementing various schemes for families engaged in the traditional occupations. Under YSR Nathana Nestham, rupees 390.74 crores is released to 81,783 Weaver beneficiaries. Through Jagananna Sedodu, rupees 10,000 is given to eligible washermen, Noya Brahmins and tellers. Eligible women who are in the age group of 45 to 60 years and belonging to Kapu, Talaga, Ontari and Barija castes are provided financial assistance of rupees 75,000 in 5 phases under YSR Kapu Nestham. During this year, rupees 491 crores was paid to 3.27 lakh women. Social Security insurance cover is being provided to workers of age group 18 to 70 years through YSR Bima programs for accidental, natural deaths and disability incidents. To implement the government schemes designed for BCs, 56 new BC corporations are established covering the 139 castes enlisted in the BC list. My government is providing an annual cash incentive of 10,000 under YSR Bahanamitra scheme to 2.74 lakh driver come owner of autos and taxi to meet maintenance expenses. Under the EBC Nestham for economically backward caste, my government will provide assistance to women aged between 45 to 60 years at the rate of 15,000 per year. Women welfare. Under the YSR Asara scheme, an amount of rupees 6,792.21 crores was credited into account of 87,74,674 women SHG members. Under YSR Sunavadi, my government is providing zero interest loans to DWCRA SHG's rupees 1,399.79 crores was credited to the accounts of 8.78 lakh SHGs covering 9.36 lakhs members. Through YSR Chautha scheme, an amount of rupees 4,604.13 crores was distributed to 24.55 eligible women belonging to SC, ST, BC and minorities aged 45 to 60 years. Development, rural and urban infrastructure. Improvement of rural road connectivity creates jobs and drives economic growth. 3,285 kilometers of rural roads are being improved under the PMGSY scheme in a span of 4 years. The state continues its leadership in the implementation of MGNREGA scheme. During 2020-21, 593 lakh person days of wage employment have been generated and rupees 5,957.6 crores of wages have been disbursed. Water resources. Out of the 54 Jalo Agnam irrigation projects, 14 projects have been completed. The works relating to Polavaram, Banchadhara, Nagavali, Beli Gunda, Nellore Barrage, Sangam Barrage, Oak Tunnel, etc. priority projects and the other ongoing projects are in brisk progress. Under the Jal Jeevan Mission, my government is committed to provide every rural household with adequate and safe water for drinking, cooking, and other basic needs by 2024. Promotion of renewable energy power projects is one of our priorities. My government had established Andhra Pradesh Green Energy Corporation to install 64,000 megawatt and 10,000 megawatt DC basis of solar power. Strategic infrastructure for accelerated growth. By operationalizing major industrial corridors, namely Vizag-Chennai industrial corridors, Chennai-Bangalore industrial corridors, and Hyderabad-Bangalore industrial corridors, we are nurturing industrial development around the key nodes. A new Greenfield International Airport at Bhogapuram in Vijayagram district is being developed. The Greenfield Vijayawada Narasimha Reddy Airport at Ovakulu is now operational. My government is developing 6 ports and construct 8 fishing harbors in 2 phases. The state has adopted a port cluster strategy to attract investment and promote industrial development. Industries. A series of incentives are announced for the benefit of the industrialists for SC and ST communities under Jaganana YSR Badugu Mikasam. To support and nurture the growth of MSMEG, my government has declared to support and monitor the implementation of one-time restructuring of MSME loans scheme under an umbrella